Hello, Smoketown students and family members. We welcome you to the Smoketown 4th grade website. If you haven't already done so, please watch this video first. It will help you navigate the different pieces of the website. If you're looking for the CV homepage, click on this link. If you're watching this video, it's because you've probably completed some optional work and you would like to share it with one of your 4th grade teachers. What you're going to need to do is understand Google Drive. First, let's learn how to log into Google Drive. You'll do that by clicking the link just below the video you're watching right now. When you click on that link, this will open. It's a sign-in page for Google Drive. This will definitely happen, especially if it's the first time that you're logging in using the device that you're using. What you're going to do is type in your username. They've already placed the @ConnestogaValley.org tagline, so your username is your first name _ your last name, and then click Next. This is important. They'll ask you for your password. Generally speaking, our passwords are 101 or 102 numbers, but you have to start with the 0 first. So if your number was 1011234, you would need to type 01011234. In this case, you need to have the 0 first and then type in your 101 or 102 password. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Once you've typed in your password, press Next, and this will open. Welcome to your Google Drive. You'll notice that if your student has worked on anything in Google Docs or Drives throughout the course of their time, that would have already shown up. The reason we're having this Google Drive is so that your student, if they choose to, share information with their teachers can do it in an easy way. So here's how you start a Google document. Once you've logged in, you click on New and Google Docs. That's going to create a brand new blank Google document called Untitled Document. Now, let's say that on this given day, you went to the resource page and you were working on spelling. So we showed in the navigational video that in the spelling, if you clicked on week 1, there's a list of words and a list of different activities that you can do. For example, if it's Monday and it says write each word by writing each letter in a different color, and the first word was watched, well, in Google Docs, let's call this Monday work. And then the first thing I'm going to put on here is spelling, and I spell the word watched. And if you want to change the color, just like any word processor, you could do that. You could do it upwards to every individual letter, or just a couple of the letters, and then change the rest like this. You would do that for every single word. Now let's say you didn't just do spelling on Monday. Let's say you also completed another section, like a writing prompt. Go into writing, you clicked on week 1, and you noticed that on Monday, you were specifically supposed to write about our solar system. You were to create a planet, name it, say what it would be like, how the weather is, and the different animals and plants there. Go back to your Monday work in your Google Doc, call this one Science, indent because it's a paragraph, 5 sentences. If I created a planet, it would be called Panzoom. So now everything is saved automatically. You do not have to save a Google Doc. It saves for you. The next question is then, how will your teachers gain access to it? That's where this blue share button comes into play. When you click on share, all you have to do is start typing your homeroom teacher's email address. Let's say you had Mrs. Novak. Her first name is Gina. You start typing her name in, it's right there. You click on her name and you click send. It will then show up in Mrs. Novak's box, and she'll be able to then comment to you back and forth. How do you comment? Well, let's say I really liked these right here. I can just add my comments by inserting a comment after I highlighted a word, and I could say, I really like the colors, and add my comment. And then the student could reply back to me, or they could resolve it once they've seen it. It's up to them. So this is how we would like to interact with you on our optional resource website. So each time you complete an activity, if you'd like to share it with one of the homeroom teachers, log into Google Docs, share it with them, and you can get some positive feedback.